Hey guys, my name's Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so today, as you can see, I'm sharing my Christmas home tour with you for this year, which is 2019. I am not going to talk. This is going to be a super quick intro, and then I'm going to let you see everything. I wanted to hop on here real quick though and let you know that today's video is a collaboration with Meagan Thomas. Make sure that when you're done watching my video that you head over to Meagan's channel, let her know I sent you, subscribe to her channel. She is fairly new to YouTube, but her home is gorgeous. She has her home decorated in a farmhouse style. I'm telling y'all, it's gorgeous. The girl can decorate. She puts out really awesome cleaning videos. So I really wanted to share her channel with you. So please go give her some love. If you came over here from Meagan's channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome. I hope that you enjoy this video and hopefully you'll stick around. All right, let's get into the Christmas tour.